Hello folks, Gino here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Today I got a dandy little street bob I want to show you. Dyna street bob. Let's see what year this is, I forgot already. 2012. Comes with a 96-inch motor and a 6-speed transmission. Mid-mount controls. Just had a set of highway pegs added to it down there. Got the Screaming Eagle air cleaner cover. Set of Vance & Hines exhaust. Set up for 2-up riding. Pull this, it's a 2-piece seat, so if you pull that pillion off there, you can have you a nice little solo bike if you wanted it. Blacked out motor. Let's have a windshield added up front. Comes in mini 8 handlebars. I left this bag open because it's got a manual, owner's manual in there, and then I saw this Super Tuner, the Screaming Eagle Super Tuner kit here. So it's got some goodies with it. Check the mileage on it once you give it a listen. It's got good tires on the front and back. Rear fender looks good. It's a low mileage bike, 2,070 miles. Front tire looks real good. Strong sounding engine. Fender's in nice shape. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team at 817-985-8888. They can tell you all about this bike. You can go online and see our complete inventory at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. Qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties too. So give us a call, 817-985-8888. This is Gino with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for looking.